certain pieces of software are more suitable for doing certain tasks than others. For example, yesterday I had a phone call from a customer, and we do these glazed structural canopy systems for walkways, and we've got a contract with this customer to actually produce visuals for them, working drawings. We set up an assembly system inside SolidWorks so that it's all driven by tables and what have you. So we get an inquiry and we just type in the values and the model updates and everything, and then we render out into a Hypershot. Now, yesterday he phoned me up and he said, I want to do one with a corner on it and the different sizes, and I thought, well, So I opened up in SolidWorks and I thought, I can't do this in SolidWorks. I've got to take it into something else. And so that's when I exported it to Cobalt. I sort of opened it up in Cobalt, chopped the bits up basically, moved it all around very freely and interactively, and came up with a solution. So I've now got a solution that I can present to him, and we can then take that forward. Rigid sort of parametrically controlled construction methods are fine for certain tasks, but for other kinds of tasks, you need that sort of free-form approach, if you like the things like Cobalt offer, in the ability to move things around in sort of 3D space very quickly. X, Y, Z moves without this translate X, translate Y, translate Z kind of thing. You just move it, or moving points on curves and that kind of stuff. And if you do want a quick visual out of it, you can do that. It's all in one piece of software. That's the kind of thing I would tend to use Cobalt for, to be honest. For doing that sort of investigative, conceptual type work, what you really want is not have to bother with necessarily, setting up sketches and all that kind of stuff. You just want to draw things, create some blocks, you chop things up basically, for want of a better word. Sometimes it's actually more efficient for us to actually knock up something very quickly and then actually remodel it in something else so that we've got the flexibility of actually changing it easily.